If a curve lies on a sphere that rho and sigma are related by d over ds, sigma rho dash plus rho upon sigma is 0. Solution: let the curve lie on a sphere. Now the sphere will be oscillating sphere for every point r. The radius r of a oscillating sphere is given by r square equal to rho square plus sigma square rho dash square equals to 1. Differentiating with respect to s, we get 0 equals to 2 rho and rho dash plus 2 sigma square rho dash rho double dash plus 2 sigma sigma dash rho dash square equals to 0. 0 equals to rho dash plus sigma square rho dash rho double dash plus sigma rho dash sigma dash square dividing by rho dash sigma, we get 0 equal to sigma upon rho upon sigma plus rho double dash sigma plus rho dash sigma dash, or 0 equal to rho upon sigma plus d over ds of sigma rho dash, or rho upon sigma plus d over ds of rho dash upon tau equals to 0. Conversely, if rho upon sigma plus d over ds of rho dash upon tau equals to 0, there we are to show that the curve lies on a sphere. On reversing the order of the steps, we get rho square plus sigma square rho dash square equals to a square. Then from 1 we get a square equal to r square, which implies a equal to r, which shows that the radius of a oscillating sphere is independent of the point of the curve. Again, the center of the spherical curvature is given by C equals to r plus rho n plus sigma rho dash b dc over ds. So dc over ds equals to t plus rho dash n plus rho n dash plus sigma rho dash b dash plus sigma dash rho dash b plus sigma rho double dash b equals to t plus rho dash n plus rho into putting the value of n dash equals to tau b minus kt minus sigma rho dash tau n plus sigma dash rho dash plus b, rho dash b plus sigma rho double dash b equals to t plus rho dash n plus rho tau b minus t rho dash n plus sigma dash rho dash b plus sigma rho double dash b equals to rho tb, t sit from t to t cancelling, and minus rho n to minus rho n, so equals to rho tau b plus sigma dash rho dash b plus sigma rho double dash b, taking b common, so equals to rho upon sigma plus rho dash sigma dash rho dash plus sigma rho double dash into b, but rho upon sigma plus rho dash, because tau is equal to 1 upon sigma, in place of tau putting 1 upon sigma, but 1 upon sigma plus rho dash tau sigma dash plus sigma rho double dash, that is rho upon sigma plus d over ds of rho dash sigma equals to 0 by the hypothesis. Therefore dc over ds equal to 0, or c is a constant factor, that is the center of oscillating sphere is independent of the point on the curve, hence the curve lies on a sphere.